They are first section students, madam. This board of intermediate exam is spoiling the children. So we'll wait for another 5 minutes.
Yes.
Sir, regarding the figure of square and circle, sir, we always take the circumference in the perimeter of the figures,
Perimeter.
sir.
Perimeter, yes.
Why not area, sir?
The surface tension, understand this. This is some object. This object is supposed to fall. Why it is not falling? Because throughout the length, you will take area to find this work done.
Yes, sir.
For balancing of forces, what you should do?
Take the sides.
Yes, sir.
This is the surface tension force, no?
Yes, sir. Surface tension force.
Understood that?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Madam, you only told 5:15 they'll be ready.
Sir, we will start,
Joining,
sir.
sir.
You
We can start,
sir.
sir.
If we start, they won't understand anything. That is the problem. Not that we see. The thing is, they miss now, they won't understand. 1 second. Somebody is saying 5:30 now.
3 minutes are left, sir.
3 minutes, you will give time.
Sir, I'll message and call them. It's almost time. We can start, sir. They should join by now.
You called what? What, madam?
They should join by now. It's time, sir. I'll call and message them. They will join, sir. We can start.
No, do they join us? There's no use. Okay, anyhow. See, suppose is the liquid. Just think why this liquid is flat. This surface is flat, no?
Yes, sir.
Interface is flat. That means pressure on this side and pressure inside must be same, no?
Yes, sir.
Now suppose there is an interface like this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then which pressure will be more?
Even, sir.
This is the pressure on this side. Here pressure is more. On the other side, if suppose this is, the shape is like this. Okay. So this is inside pressure. Which pressure is more?
Inside
Even.
pressure, sir.
Even, sir.
P1.
So I want to take this P2, P1. Then P2 is greater than P1. Now if you observe these all these things, pressure will be more on which side? concave side or convex side?
Concave side.
Concave. This is the concave side. Concave side, no? So here you can see till here. Any doubt is there, man?
No, sir.
Not on this.
Noted, sir.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Therefore, suppose there is a bubble like this, or a drop. Now here, this is the concave side, no?
Yes,
This
sir.
is P in, no?
Yes, sir.
This is P out, no? Which
out.
pressure is more?
P in, sir.
P should be more, sir.
That means is how much? Understood, is not? Now,
Understood, sir.
this pressure is exacted Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Agree, sir.
That means this pressure, this drop exerts a force on this. So this R now becomes the new area, no?
Yes,
R
sir.
plus dr.
DR. Yes,
Do you agree with this?
agree, sir. Agree.
That means what is the force?
Force on inner, sir. P into R.
P in minus P out
Sir.
into what is the inner surface area?
4 pi R square.
Okay. So now the displacement is dr, no?
Yes, sir.
Radially outward, no?
Yes, sir. Radially.
So what is the radial displacement?
So radial displacement is delta R.
Do you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
Therefore, what is the work done?
So work done is
Force into delta
force
R.
delta.
Agreed?
Ah, yes, sir. Sorry, sir. Remember. This P out into 4 pi r square delta R.
Till here, any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir.
Shall I turn this?
But 1 minute, sir. Please, sir. 1 minute.
Shall I turn this?
Please, sir. 1 minute, sir. Please.
Take your own time. I am not in a hurry.
Thank you, sir.
Next prayer is at 6:30. Yes?
Yes, sir.
By 6:30, I'll complete this. Okay. Before that only, I'll try. After that, syllabus is over. No? Enjoy.
Yes, sir.
Any other thing is left?
Sir, nothing, sir. IIT syllabus almost over, sir.
No. For you, IIT, you don't have any exam. No. For you, I'll take the class.
Yes. Sir,
Aims
complete.
people will. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Complete.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir. Clear. Clear.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
What is the initial surface area?
4
5 r
pi
square.
r square. Yes, sir. Initial, sir.
For a drop, only one surface, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Only one surface. Outer surface only. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Delta R is very small. See, for example, delta R itself is small. What is delta R whole square?
Very small.
That's a very small.
0.0004.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Should be, sir.
So we can neglect this. So this is approximately do you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, W equals T into final area is how much?
So 4 pi r square plus, sorry. Yes, sir.
Minus initial
Yes. 8 pi r delta r dt. Yes.
What is work done already you got?
So what is P in minus P out minus P out into 4 pi r square into delta r into delta r, sir. Uh, sir, in left hand side, delta r is also there, sir. Into delta
Hmm?
r. Left hand side. Into delta r is also there, sir. Yes, sir.
So what is P in minus P out?
Sir, T. Sorry, sir. Yes, T. Like that.
2T by R, no? This R is there here.
Yes, sir. 2T by r.
That means pressure inside minus pressure outside in case of a drop is how much? 2T by R.
2T by r. Yes, sir.
Agreed?
Agreed, sir.
Yes, sir.
Agreed.
Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
But 1 minute. Yes.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
So we can say, suppose there is this is called excess pressure
Inside a drop. Yes, sir.
because pressure is more on inside now.
Yes, sir.
2T by R.
Inside.
Now, in case of a bubble, there are two free surfaces, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Two free surfaces. Inside and outside.
So we have A initial is 4 pi r square into 2. How much?
8 pi r square.
A final is
Yes, sir. Into delta r square plus P
okay.
dt. Yes,
Correct, or no?
yes, sir.
Two are there.
Actually, sir.
So this is
Yes, sir.
nothing but how much you got here. Earlier we already did this.
2R delta
8
R
pi
delta
r
R
plus
square.
Agreed.
Agreed, sir.
So what is the work done?
Hello, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, what
Yes,
you
sir.
are explaining, sir? I don't.
So
You're late for the class,
some
huh?
Somebody, sir. Not me.
somebody don't know who, which class.
Madam,
Removed, sir, removed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
this is
Is equal to for t into 8 pi r square plus 16 pi r delta r minus 8 pi r square. So, minus 8 pi r square.
so this comes to simplify this.
Yes, sir. Simplify, sir.
You simplify it, man. You know now how to don't you know
Yes,
the
sir.
simplification?
So 40 by R, sir.
40 by R.
40 by. What's what this is?
So this is the bubble.
Yes, sir. For bubble.
That means if there is a single interface, you have 2T by R. Two interfaces, 4T by R.
40 by R. Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood. Clear, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Hmm. Yes, sir. Complete. Yes. Yes, sir. Inside bubble is 40 by R. So
40 by R.
20 by R. Yes, sir. Only one surface of the interface.
Sir,
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes. Equal to P in minus P out is equal to 40 by R.
Do you agree with this?
Agree, sir. Agree. Yes, sir. Completed.
केला वाला रगड़ मेरा हलवा
Yeah. Some more.
Yes, sir.
sir, air bubble and liquid bubble are different, sir.
Pardon?
Air bubble and liquid bubble are different.
What is that?
Yes.
Air bubble?
Air bubble and water drop he's asking, sir.
Drop means there will be liquid fully, man.
It will be
So
a
there is
solid.
only one free surface, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
air
Clear.
bubble and liquid.
Bubble means this one, man. That means air inside. This is liquid. Here, this whole thing is liquid only, no?
Yes, sir. Inside also. Yes, sir.
Therefore, there are two free surfaces.
Yes, sir.
Madam,
Yes, sir.
I think today after my class, I think you link up the names like Arif sir. Talk to Ajish, Asra madam, they link up to central office.
Okay.
Next after for my classes. So far I don't want, if that happens, many troubles will come to children. That is the problem. They'll be hold a penalty, they'll collect fee will be increased, parents will be called. I don't want such torture, I'm not allowing, but these people want that, what we can do. Arif sir class is a pin drop silence, you have seen?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No, it is linked with central office. So it is recorded version. Everything will be recorded there. So suppose anything misbehaves, no, automatically that recording they'll see and they'll catch that fellow. They'll increase the fee, penalties, many problems will come.
But so the
I don't.
bubble formed in the water is
Then it has only one interface. When we are good, no, these children are not understand what repercussions.
No, sir. They are understanding.
Management gets lot of fines, man. Fines are the main source of income, like taxes. Then why they are making that? They call me many times. We link up, and I said, no, 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 I'll take care. I said. So this is liquid, no? So how many interfaces are there?
Only one
Only
interface.
this is only one free surface.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, it has how many interfaces?
One interface, sir. Only one interface.
So this is only one interface, means how much you'll have?
2T by
So,
RC.
yes, sir. 2 by.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
So like that, depending upon the situation, you can apply.
Yes, sir.
So one free surface, pressure on the concave side is always greater than that on the convex side. And if there is one free surface, 2T by R. Two free surfaces, 4T
4T
by R.
by R.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Come.
Done, sir.
Yes, sir. Done.
So always remember this. That means okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Shall I turn this?
Sir, please, 1 minute. Yes. Last line only, sir. Yes, sir. Completed.
Now let us see. Capillary means, what is the meaning of capillary?
So means like blood vessel, no, sir.
No, it
Yes.
is like, this means hair.
Yes. Yeah. Yes.
So here, a tube. Means it has a very small radius. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That
Understood.
means followed. See,
Yes.
suppose we dip a, just for visibility and drawing is a bigger one. This much won't be possible. It's only for visibility's sake.
Yes, sir.
The liquid rises in the capillary tube. Okay. So when a capillary tube is dipped, so you'll be seeing a slight rise in the liquid compared to the free surface. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let us see to what height it rises. Okay. So see, remember this. This is the meniscus now. There is a difference between radius of tube and radius of meniscus. Radius of meniscus means complete this sphere of which the circle of which this is the meniscus now. So remember, this is the R. R is radius of meniscus.
So one doubt, sir. Meniscus means what, sir?
This surface
Yes, sir. Yes. Understood.
means the topmost surface of liquid in the tube. Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Is it clear?
Clear. Clear.
Now, whereas this is the radius of the tube.
Yes.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
Is it visible clearly?
Yes, sir. Very clearly, sir.
Right. Now here, this is one point now.
Yes, sir.
See,
Point.
this is one
Point.
point where the liquid touches the solid now.
Yes, sir. Solid.
This is liquid one, no? All this is liquid. Follow carefully.
Yes, sir. Hold
Now
on, sir.
that means draw one tangent to this. This is what? Tangent to which one?
Yes,
The point.
Tangent to liquid, no?
yes, sir. Liquid meniscus. Yes, sir. Tangent to that, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. Agree, sir.
Now I can draw another tangent like this now.
Yes, sir. We can draw. We can draw.
This is the tangent to the solid.
Solid. Yes, sir.
What is this?
Tangent to the solid. Solid capillary.
If this is theta, this angle is called, theta is called angle of contact.
Yes, sir.
Understood this? Is it
Understood,
clear?
sir. It is clear, sir.
No, no.
Noting, sir. Yes, sir. Mm, yes, sir.
Any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir. Clear.
Shall I turn, man?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Complete.
You can tell, sir.
Sir, you called.
Hmm. I don't know, man. Angle of contact. So this is, what is this? Angle
Made by tangent of meniscus. And
between
so
tangent to what?
Liquid.
And what?
The surface of the
At which point?
at the point of
point
contact,
P.
of liquid and solid. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood. Sir.
Because you can see that there are two angles actually. One inside, the other one this. But we are taking inside the liquid now.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Inside
sir.
the liquid proteins.
Finished?
Yes, sir. Complete.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, complete.
Yes, sir.
Completed, sir. Sir, can you show previous page for 1 minute? Done, sir. Thank you, sir.
As whenever a capillary tube is dipped in a liquid,
Yes, sir. Some meniscus.
suppose the liquid rises like this. So I told you that this will be the complete this circle. This is the meniscus radius, and this is the radius capital R of. Now you can see what is this angle theta now.
Yes, sir. Theta.
I am showing here. This is theta. This is R. This is R. This is theta. What is this angle?
So,
90 minus
90 minus
90 minus theta. So
Yes,
what
sir.
will be this? Theta only now.
Yes,
Theta
sir.
only. Theta only. Yes, sir.
So what is cos theta, man?
Sir, yes,
R
sir.
by R.
Capital R by small
This
r.
is the relationship between radius of the tube and radius of curvature of the meniscus and angle of contact. Understood this?
Understood, sir. Yes, sir. Clear.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Please.
1 minute.
1 minute.
Take your own time, no problem.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Yes, sir.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Now suppose we take this is one point, this is one point.
Yes, sir.
So
Same. Same horizontal level.
Same
and
pressure. Given
in the
is
same
liquid.
liquid.
same liquid now.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Same liquid.
Therefore P1 equals P2 now.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Even is going to be.
Next point. This is exposed atmospheric pressure now.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
P2 is equal to what? Atmospheric pressure only now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now consider point 3 and point 4. Okay. P3 is also equal to atmospheric pressure no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you can observe that is concave now, which is greater.
So
Yes,
T3 should be P3 should
So P3 minus P4, only one interface now. What do you have?
2P by R.
Okay, because which are this radius of this interface? We derived this for this one, you know. Hello,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
understood this?
Understood, sir.
Any
Derived
doubt
for
is there?
no doubt, sir. Clear.
P3 is P atmosphere. So what is P4?
P atmosphere.
P,
P atmosphere minus 2P by R.
yes.
Now you can see this, suppose this height is H. Pressure at this point plus this liquid exerts a pressure now how much?
H rho G.
Is the pressure at 1 now? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Pressure at this point plus pressure due to the liquid column is P1. Any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir. Should be. Correct,
Right.
sir.
This is P atmosphere minus 2T by R H rho G. What is P1?
So P1.
P1 is nothing but P2
Yes, sir.
and
80.
that P2 is nothing but P atmosphere pressure now.
Yes.
This will get cancelled. So what you have? H rho G is 2T by
T
R.
by R.
That means this is the R rho G. This is the height. Understood this? This is 2T by what is R already you got
It is of the
in terms of capital R. In
R
terms of cos theta is how much you got?
R by R.
capital
Capital R by small r.
Substitute that.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is what we say capillary ascent. Means to what height a liquid rises in a capillary tube. Understood this?
Yes, sir. One note, sir. Sir,
Tell.
sorry, I didn't ask before. Sir, this P4 plus H rho G is equal to P1. I have one doubt, sir. Actually,
See.
this
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Same, sir.
Earlier you have seen that what is the pressure here? This is due to liquid column we have H rho G, no?
yes, sir.
Sir.
And if there is atmospheric pressure, what is the pressure at this point? Atmospheric pressure.
Plus H rho G.
H rho G. P1.
Similarly, you want pressure here. This height is H rho G. Already there is a P4 here, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
P4 plus that this pressure will add up, no? You know pressure at one point, man, here.
Yes,
When
sir.
you
Yes.
go down, it will be added up. That will be the pressure here, no? Already
Yes,
P4 is there. You go down, so there will be H rho G equals P1. Understood this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Sorry, sir. I thought
Now
this
you
H
understood
was
or not?
understood, sir. I thought this H was measured from 3, sir. Now understood,
No.
sir. Yes. It's measured from 4.
See, after this, go over here. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
So, okay, and this is nothing but
2t cos theta by capital R rho g. Yes.
understood this.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Completed, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, these surface tensions are only due to what? Intermolecular forces, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Intermolecular forces.
That means, suppose we are having a solid like this, a glass or something.
Yes, sir.
On this, we keep some liquid. Okay, this is the liquid.
Yes, sir. Liquid.
This is solid. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See here, you have liquid and solid, no?
Yes,
This
sir.
is liquid and solid. This is solid and air, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Solid and
This is
air.
solid and air. This is
Liquid and
liquid and air. So liquid air always is a, this is the force of surface tension due to what?
Due to sir.
Surface tension for between what? Liquid
Liquid and
and air.
Solid.
yes, sir.
Liquid and air.
Air. This is solid and air, no?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Solid and air.
And you can see this is what?
Liquid and solid.
Liquid and solid, sir.
Liquid and solid. So this is only angle of contact now.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Theta.
Now you can resolve this now.
Yes, sir. We can
T
resolve.
and this is what?
Yes,
And this is
sir. TL at yes, yes,
agreed. Now for equilibrium, what you have?
TSA
Sir,
If the drop is in equilibrium,
is equals to TSP
yes,
cos theta is how much?
TSA minus TL
minus
plus
TSA
TL
minus TL.
by
Do you
TLS.
agree with this?
we
Now,
agree.
if TSA is more than TLS, means solid and air intermolecular force is more than liquid and solid. What you have?
Sir,
Cos theta is positive.
Solid.
Cos theta positive means theta is acute, no?
acute.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
So we say the liquid is attached to this. Wets the solid. Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir.
Theta is angle of contact. Understood this?
Yes, sir. Angle of contact.
Next, suppose we have a situation if cos theta is
Negative, sir.
negative.
The side should be opposite, sir.
Theta is
Theta is
obtuse.
obtuse.
So
So
Liquid
that
will
is
have
the reason why what will happen? This
TLS
liquid
should be
does,
less than.
this will
TSA
not
less than
be
TLS. Okay.
TSA.
Less than TLS.
Yes.
yes, sir.
Now my mind is on the fellow who is disturbing the class. When they are entering, we don't know. Right. So here the liquid drop will become like this. Now you can see that this is liquid air, no?
Yes, sir. Liquid
This
air.
is what?
Yes.
Liquid solid.
This angle is straight or not?
Theta.
Obtuse only, no?
Obtuse.
Obtuse, sir. Obtuse.
Obtuse angle.
Yes, sir.
Now you can see it is not wetting, no?
Yes, sir.
Not
It
wetting.
goes away.
Yes, sir. It goes away.
Understood? That's why some drops will spread, some won't. Did you ever observe?
Yes, sir. Some case. Observe.
Now, agreed.
Agreed, sir. Yes, sir. But one doubt, sir. Sir, how
Tell.
you are taking this direction of TLS, sir? Means liquid solid.
LS. L means liquid, solid. This is the interface, no?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, air, solid, liquid, air. At the point where all three meet, take one point, man, where liquid, solid, and air.
Yeah.
This is the interface. At that point, you will draw the tangents. One tangent is liquid air, another tangent solid air, another tangent is liquid air, liquid solid. Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
The last case, TLA cos theta plus TLS is greater than TSA. What will happen? This liquid spreads, no? That means it is pulled like this, no?
Mm,
This won't be in equilibrium, no?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It
Yes, sir.
won't be.
Yes, sir.
It won't be.
Yes, sir.
That means because of this, it spreads like this. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Because that TLA
Spreads.
positive and TLA.
And it experiences net force parallel to the interface now.
Yes, sir.
Till here, any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. So
Yes.
liquid spreads. So liquid
Spreads.
will spread throughout.
Yes, sir.
Understood this? It won't form a drop.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It won't form. It won't form drop. Spread only.
Understood this?
Understood, sir. Understood.
Any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir. Clear, sir.
So with this, I have completed what is that? Mechanical properties of fluids. What all is given in the NCERT textbook? You have NCERT book, no?
Yes, sir. We have.
Long back I
Yes, sir, we
posted
have,
PD, I posted the PDF also long back.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or else your textbook, whatever it is, please check whether what is being taught is relevant. Entire all points of NCERT I have covered. So I have completed mechanical properties of solids, mechanical properties of liquids. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
So the
Yes,
concepts I have completed. I'll do the problems after your board exams.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So now, thermodynamics, you know, no? No need of teaching, no?
No, sir.
no, sir.
We do, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
You take classes.
Okay, then tomorrow, no, concepts, right? Your NCRT concepts I can complete in one day. Okay, tomorrow I'll finish thermodynamics. Tomorrow we'll have class as usual, morning 9 o'clock. Okay, right?
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Note down this and go.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir.
Note
Noted,
this
sir.
and go. Okay, after noting, still 5 minutes earlier, I left 6:30. You said no.
Yes, sir.
See how much I am cooperating. Hopeless fellows. You won't cooperate.
Sir, sorry, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sorry,
We
sir.
Right,
cooperate.
right.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Right. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye. Any doubt is there? You can ask. Otherwise, you can go ahead.
Uh, Sir, one doubt, sir. Sir,
Tell.
if TLA cos theta plus TLS is less than this TSA, what will happen, sir?
Which is lesser than? See,
Means
this together can never be less than this. They are two forces, no? If it is lesser also, no problem. See, it will spread that side.
Cos theta will greater than 1 master,
Which one?
then cos theta will become greater than 1 master then.
Yes, it is not. That's what I am saying. The sum of this can never be. This can never be less. If you want to check up, cos theta will
Yes, sir.
be. It won't be possible. That's what I said. It won't be possible. I said no.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You balance in C less than this. What happens? You see.
Yes, sir. I am checking, sir. I will check, sir. One.
That also we cannot tell greater than 1 man because we don't know the values, no?
Yes, sir.
One thing you can sure, one thing is sure, if this side is more, this is spread this side. That side is more, that will spread like that.
Yes, sir.
Ultimately spread.
Yes, sir. It will spread. But I am checking, sir. One minute.
See, entire NCERT have covered, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very detailed, sir. Sir, one doubt, sir. Sir,
Tell.
if TLA cos theta plus TLS is less than means liquid will spread to right side, no, sir? Is
Yes.
towards TSA direction.
Hmm.
If the other is happening, then it will spread towards left direction. No, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. That was my doubt, sir. I had one confusion in that, and doubt is clear.
Which side force is more, that side will spread. What is that?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. Doubt. I had some doubt about that. Doubt is clear. Yes, sir. I also got nothing, sir. I got cos theta is less than TSA minus TLS by TLA.
That value we cannot tell because we don't know the values, no?
Yes, sir. We can note it. Then I also got some unconfirmatory answers. The doubts are over, sir. All are
Right.
clear.
Right.
Thank you, sir. Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.